I could stay awake just to hear you typing. Watch you smile while you are tending to this email you are sending. Dear Cat, how does it feel to be dating Ladybug? From Levi J. Good question, Levi. Yes, Ladybug and I are finally dating. That's why I'm trying to grow out my I'm dating beard. Anyway, this is the moment I've been waiting for years, and it's finally happening. What a fantastic feeling. The only problem is, I always get really weird around Ladybug, and she hates it, so I can't blow this.
What's the problem?
Oh, well, you see, it's always that I just act really, really weird around Ladybug, and I don't know how to stop it.
Oh, well, that's easy. I can help.
You can?
Yeah. Come on, I'll show you. All right, let's start with some basic introductions.
Sounds easy.
So, hi Kat, I'm Ladybug. How are you today?
Hi, Ladybug. I'm doing great. How would you like to get married so we can put down a deposit on a house that we can then fill with children, animals, and delightful furniture?
Wow. Fantastic. Clearly, my work is done here, but, you know, just for the heck of it, let's try that again. All right, texting is easy. You can say so much with pictures and emojis. You don't even have to use words. All right, so for example, hi Kat, I miss you. Smiley face. Send.
Huh, got it.
All right, your turn.
Okay. There you go.
Oh, Kat. Oh, I don't even. Where did you even get those emojis?
I was trying to be creative.
No. Gosh, no. Oh, you need help. All right, watching a movie is fun and not weird at all. It's also a good lesson in personal space.
Right. Gotcha.
Yeah.
So, when do I...
No. Kat, you have to ease into that sort of thing.
Right, that's, of course, ease into it. Yeah.
No, that's the weirdest, oldest trick in the book.
Yeah, of course, silly me, that's...
Oh my gosh. I don't know what to tell you, man. You're just weird. I can't fix this.
Oh man, I'm gonna ruin everything!
Come on now. Come on, don't. Come on, we can. It's not. Kat, shh. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. There. Hey! What is going on here?
Oh, Ladybug, it is not what it looks like. It's...
Yeah, okay. You two-timing, cheating, catting cat! You're alone with another girl for what? A second? A minute? And this is what happens?
Ladybug, it's not like that.
And you! I thought we were supposed to be friends, but instead, as soon as I turn my back, there's a knife in it!
Ladybug, it wasn't any...
No! I thought I was good, you know, wasn't I? But instead, I must have been the worst girlfriend in the world to drive you into the arms of another
Ladybug!
What?
I was just consoling him because he was having a breakdown.
Oh? About what?
Well, I'm always so weird around you. I thought maybe she could, help me be better so I wouldn't lose you.
Aww, Kat, that's so sweet. Man, I'm sorry for the outburst. Was that weird?
No.
Yes. Yes, it was very weird. You two have issues. Are very weird.
Well, at least we can be weird together.
Oh.
I am not qualified to provide the kind of help you two need.